Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Today's feature episode is entitled We Need More Shecanics. Yes, Shecanics. We have men for mechanics, but now we need Shecanics. But before we begin, please hit that like button for more content and subscribe if you find my topics informative so you'll be notified when I drop a new episode. A friendly reminder that I may be the only program that takes you beyond the sales department. Others focus specifically on cars, their performances, look, style, features, and DIY videos from mechanics. Let's introduce to you Miss Patrice Banks. She's a genius entrepreneur who is also the owner of Girls Auto Clinic located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. You're looking at the website right here. And for my podcast listeners, you will find the full video for this episode on my YouTube channel. In response to a national problem of women being taken advantage of at many repair shops owned by men. Yes, it sounds like something that they're all already upset about, but Patrice decided to launch her own company to give women a more comfortable experience. Well, so she says. So unlike traditional shops that often rip off their female customers, those are very strong words, but I'm quoting her, of course. The staff at Girls Auto Clinic take time to go over each step with their customers, and they also host a free monthly workshops teaching simple, straightforward lessons and tips on car maintenance. But here's what really makes them unique. While waiting for their car to get serviced, there's an on-site beauty parlor where customers can get their hair done and their nails done. Patrice says that she once got ripped off at an auto repair shop and immediately recognized what happened to her as a potential business opportunity. She quit her job as an engineer, took night classes to become an auto mechanic, and then opened up her own shop with other auto girls. Currently, only 2% of all auto mechanics in the United States are women. Of course, this article itself is based in the United States. I did say Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I found this gem of an article on Black Success Life IG as I was scrolling through, and I decided to feature it here. So what I'm going to do is have her video on screen and let her explain to you.
People don't expect a female mechanic. I get some flack from people in the automotive industry about wearing heels, about being a mechanic, because they don't think I look like a mechanic or I talk like a mechanic. But I know that that's my strength. I'm being authentic. I'm not trying to be sexy with my heels, it's just who I am. I like to wear heels, but I also work on cars. I always felt taken advantage of by mechanics. I thought I needed a guy to help me, and I'm an empowered woman. I was an engineer, I owned a house, and I wanted to find education and resources that were going to empower me to make the right choice with my car, and I couldn't find them. So I was searching for a female mechanic, and the first thing that pops up, women, next to the muscle cars and the bikinis.
And I always wondered, why is that? Because every time you're looking for certain items, automotive on the internet, in particularly, I find it mostly with Pinterest. You could go to Pinterest website, type in anything auto mechanic, female mechanics, and you'll see all these models standing beside cars or tires or parts or something like that. But she's absolutely right.
I thought, why not go back to school, learn how to work on cars, and create a business that was going to cater to women. Girls Auto Clinic is a full-service auto repair shop with 5 women mechanics that work here and a nail salon to get your nails done while you wait for your car. We get many women that want to learn how to change a tire or even change their oil. So we host free car care workshops that's going to teach you how to take care of your car. It's finally a place they can bring their car and they no longer feel like they're going to be taken advantage of. It's scary to step up to the edge and then throw yourself off. And I tell people every day, I don't know what I'm doing, but nobody knows what they're doing, right? It's about having the confidence to put yourself out there, especially if I want to create something that's going to be meaningful. There's definitely days where I want to quit and I'm on the verge of crying, or even crying like, I don't want to do that, like a little kid, like it gets that bad. But my nieces are looking up to me. How can I be a better example for them? I want them to have a bold life. I want them to have a courageous life. And so I need to be bold and I need to be courageous. Now when you look for a female mechanic, Girls Auto Clinic pops up first.
So she was sponsored by Lean Cuisine, and that was a very thoughtful video right there. And I'm scrolling through her website, and it's nice, it's clean, it's crisp, and she has a lot of support going on for her. But let me chime in while I scroll through her website, her homepage, girlsautoclinic.com. You can check it out, and I'll also leave the link in the description below. I'm going to also be a little bit controversial. When I first came across this article, I was thrilled. For you see, she's in my space, and I applaud her wholeheartedly for it. But why can't others, at least far more women, take this route? In November of 2021, Liz Cambridge of the WNBA joined OnlyFans. Why in the world that some of these modern women think that when the going gets tough, their only conclusion or their way out is to take off their clothes on social media for a price? Now, we've seen it far too often and too many times, and she even quoted the Liz Cambridge, of course. She even quoted that the amount of money I could be making off OnlyFans is crazy. What am I doing here? What am I here sitting doing? Basically what she quoted. Found it rather interesting that according to Yahoo Finance, the average salary this season for the 2021 season for the WNBA, the average salary is $120,000, and in 2019 it was $74,349. So in January 2020, WNBA Commissioner Kathy Engelberg and WNBPA President Nika Ogwemike, sorry if I mispronounce her name, announced a new collective bargaining agreement that will increase WNBA salaries to $130,000 average salary and allow the league's all-stars and superstars to earn a maximum salary of more than $500,000. And I said, wow, because you see, that's far more than what the average man or the average woman makes in the United States. We need more Patrice Banks. We need more Patrice Banks motivating our women. They have to make sacrifices. They have to want to get their nails dirty, their hair dirty, and they'll have in order to move up. Hopefully more women will see her and be motivated by her. What do you think? Please share your thoughts and comments below and let me know. You can check out our website, A Brand on the Move. She's well thought out, well encouraged, and I hopefully she will motivate others to follow in her footsteps. Thank you, Patrice Banks. So until next time, remember to smash that like button on your way out, and I'll catch you in another video.